Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the layouts that I created for the December Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. So the first four, I'm just kind of going to skim through it because each of them has a process video. But the other four, which is my kind of additional or extra projects for this month, I will try to go through them a little bit more in detail. So let's get started. This is actually my second layout, so let me move things around. So this is my first layout, and this one features the Pebbles line of, I think it's Cozy Christmas. This has a process video, and as you can see, it's a double page layout, and it has a lot of photos. And this one was cut with a, cut through my Silhouette Cameo with a script font from thefont.com called Watermelon Script, I believe. And so that is my first layout. The second layout is from Simple Stories, and it has the vintage line in it, and I really like this paper with the hollies and also the ephemera. Again, I've cut the letter Christmas, or the word Christmas I should say. I cut them twice, one in black and one in this kind of off-white color, and then that's the background. And then the third one, this one features the Echo Park paper, and this one documents the story of when we told our kids that Santa was not real, and you can learn more about that in the process video. But I use, because it doesn't have any images, or I should say it doesn't have any photos, I used a bunch of the bigger stickers from the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet from this mini pack. And then this one is my recipe layout for this month. It's a double page layout, and it features the Cartabella Santa's Workshop collection. And it's, again, a double page layout with a bunch of photos. I used a bunch of the papers as strips so that I can extend the 3 pieces of pattern paper that were given to us in the kit, and then I also punched out the Santas to make my own kind of embellishments, and then added a little bit more of the die cuts that came with the mini kit. Okay, the next one is a set of cards, and these are, as you can see, they're similar, or they're the same design. The only difference is that I used some of these stickers, and these came from the sticker sheet that these came from. So this is from Echo Park, but the rest of the papers are from Cartabella. And then I did add some twine from my stash and also some Nouveau drops. And so that's a set of 3 cards. And then these ones are another set of 3 cards. This one features the, let me move this, features the Echo Park paper. And also I believe it features, these die cuts are from the Pebbles Lime, but they are from the embellishment add-on kit. The twine I used came from my stash, and then I also used some more of the gold Nouveau drops. As you can see, to make my card making fast, because I am just using scraps here, I just use the same design. So with this one, I had the banners kind of, or the strips on the back, and then a block of paper, and then my die cuts as my embellishments, and also my sentiments. So that makes it easy. And then this layout features the Pebbles Lime. Again, these are my extra projects, so I'm using a lot of the scraps here, but it also helps me because I have layouts that have a lot of photos, and so I don't really need a lot of papers. But to kind of make it more festive, I did layer some of the papers together, and then added those die cuts and stickers just to kind of, you know, make it more festive. But I did put my title in the center. This Noel one is from the mini kit, the Flavors of the Month kit, and then I believe everything else is from the mini kit. I think this one's a die cut. Yeah, it's a die cut. So this is probably the embellishment add-on. This I know is a sticker. It came from the mini kit, and so is this one. I think this is a die cut. So that is my layout. And then the last one is this layout featuring my little guy. Now, the blue cardstock came from my stash because I don't have any more cardstock from leftover from this kit because I did a lot of double page layouts. And but because they were I think this is 3.5 by 5 inch photos, and so they're slightly bigger. Basically, I just added the photos on one side and then measured where I wanted the scraps of paper, and then laid that out so that I can complete my big circle, or my big square rather, and then decorated this side of the page with my title and some stickers. The journaling goes on the bottom. And I also, the reason why I picked blue was because the dress shirt, or yeah, the dress shirt that my son is wearing is blue, so that makes the photo stand out. So those are my layouts. I hope that you like it. If you ever want to see these projects in photos, make sure that you check out my blog because they will always be there. I do try to share them, all of them there, so you can always check that out. And the link is in the description below. If you're interested in what the flavors in the bun kit are, and the ScrapRoom Kit Club, make sure that you check out the link in the description below as well, because that will be there. And if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up. And if I haven't said it already, Merry Christmas. I don't know when I'm going to share this video, but happy holidays, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your year, and I will catch you guys another day. Bye.